Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Outlook email, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a Microsoft Outlook email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Microsoft Outlook email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some of your customers work in Google, some other customers work in Microsoft, so sometimes it's easier if you have an Outlook email as well. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in this website, Microsoft.com. Well, it's kind of a long URL, so just check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link there, or you can go ahead and type into your search engine, Microsoft Outlook email, and it should bring you here. Once you're here on this page, you want to go ahead and click on create a free account. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and choose your email. So let's see, make money. Okay, next you can go ahead and make this as a Microsoft Outlook, or you can choose to do Hotmail. For me, Hotmail is kind of outdated, I guess, but that's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Next, you want to go ahead and create a password, and you can choose to receive information, tips, and offers from Microsoft. I don't really like to do that, so I'm going to uncheck that. Once you've entered in your password, click on next. Okay, now they're asking for your name. Go ahead and enter that in, and then click on next. Okay, now they're asking for your date of birth. So you can use your real date of birth or a fake one. I would recommend using your real one, because if you get locked out of your account, this is one of the bits of information they're going to verify. Once you've entered in your date of birth, go ahead and click on next. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now they're asking if I want to go ahead and stay signed into this. This is a private browser, so I'm going to click yes. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes into my Microsoft Outlook email. So now I can go ahead and start drafting new emails with my Outlook. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Microsoft Outlook email account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.